Spain is world-renowned for its Christmas time festivities. But, you may ask, what are Spain's most popular destinations during this period? A recent study ranked Andalusia and Catalonia among the top regions on strong domestic tourism. But there is one place that stood out for its overall appeal. By all accounts, the capital city of Madrid, billed as a gateway to Christmas, is a must-visit destination during this time. Madrid Christmas Lights, of course, are a huge attraction. And there are lots of fun things to do during the day, too. So to give you a taste of holiday vibes in the city, we'd like to invite you for a quick stroll just before Christmas. Plaza Mayor, the famous 16th century square, was bustling with holiday activities. The horses weren't fabulous, but as we moved on, we spotted other popular means of transportation and encountered all kinds of friendly creatures. Obviously, friendly creatures need some rest too. And then the night fell, transforming the city. Madrid's central square, Puerta del Sol, or the Sun Gate, was awash with light even without the sun, as were other parts of the city. The streets were crowded, but joyfully so, in a seemingly endless flow of good holiday cheer. If you were thirsty or hungry, there were cozy cafes and bars all around, or Christmas markets. And plenty of other places to catch up on your holiday shopping. A wonderful trip that will repeat, no doubt. And when you can get here in under 3 hours in a high-speed train, why not? Reaping the benefits of coastal living in Benalmádena, Spain.